Look at this, my people. Good afternoon. Just a look a quick thing. It's a look a short video. Nothing much to talk about. Look at these wonderful breadfruit here. We have breadfruit coming in. Soon can roast on a tree. Look here. Breadfruit tree will bear so much. They're almost on the ground. Look at this one under the under here. Look at these almost on the ground, people. Look, almost on the ground. And look at Blackie. That is my dog, Blackie. See him there? Looking plain. See him? Looking plain, Blackie. Say hi, Blackie. Say hi. Say hi, Blackie. And look what I have here. Look at this. These beautiful birds. Look at them. There are nice pigeons here. Look at them. They are in their cage. And I have a little baby one. They are sitting down there. And see this tree. And there. And there, guys. Here, look at it. Those rooster there. Ready, want to fight. Look at them. At the fence here. Ready to fight. Looking fight. Look at breadfruit, people. Look at breadfruit. See, these are my little bird up there. Pigeon. And there. And that is Blackie over there. Come on, Blackie. Say hi, Blackie. He's scratching a baby mess today. Good. Come on. Say hi, Blackie. He's wiggling his tail. Hi, Blackie. How you doing, Blackie? Yeah. How you doing, Blackie? You, Blackie? Oh, you're doing, Blackie, Blackie? Yes, sir. The rooster, they are crowing. People, look at breadfruit. Breadfruit, them bears so tail. Look at them. Look at this. My lord. Got these soon can eating a people. Soon have breadfruit and a lot fall off the tree. A lot on the ground here. Look at them here right down to the ground. See? A breadfruit, man. Breadfruit in the backyard. Look at breadfruit. God is so good to us. God is so much good. God is so good, man. God is so good. So these are my birds. There. I'll get a close-up look. Look at them. Them there. There. I have them feeding there and water over there. And I have them feeding there two part, two side pen. Hi, Blackie. What are you saying, Blackie? What are you saying? What are you saying, Blackie? Yes, what are you saying? So, that's just a look, a very short video here. People, the breeze is blowing so nice. Look at this wonderful breadfruit. There, wonderful breadfruit here. We have a nice breeze just blowing. Yeah. So people, so the cut the lawn dry. Cut the lawn dry. Some part is green and nice. But breadfruit fall off the tree. Some breadfruit and fall off of the tree. Cuddle on. Some part green, some part brown because we don't have any green. So you can see the green part there. Right. So that's just look a short video, look a short heads up. I'm just saying hi to my pups over there. Just a look a short video, so I'm out for now.